How to make a girl who rejected you, who doesn't like you, become interested and like you again. If my advice, bro, if you've been rejected, just move on, find another, but if for one reason or another, you still want her to make her like you, I will share how, and the way I share this, is a gentleman's way, a real man's way to win a woman's heart, not using magic, not using threats or using other methods that are not good to practice, and the fourth step, is very effective. Make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video. The first step, if you want to be with a girl who initially didn't like it so you like it, there must be positive changes in your life. The current you must be different from the first time you were rejected. Different in what way? Different in terms of physique, wealth and status. Make a target to get better from each of these important things, then do it consistently. For example, physically, from what was thin dry, you do sports, now it becomes straighter and fuller. Treasure, from a salary below the minimum wage, now at least have an income at the minimum wage level. Status, from previously having no work, no degree, now you have graduated from undergraduate, already have a YouTube channel whose contents educate the public. Make sure you have positive changes in property, status, and physique. This win is not short, it takes time, it takes sacrifice, it takes patience. Well, if it takes too long, how will other guys take it? It's okay, even if he is taken by another guy, you still get better, you have leveled up, and maybe you can even get a more suitable girl. The point is, you do hard work to improve yourself. About the availability of his heart and feelings, leave it to God. The second step, stop finding out about the girl who rejected you, mute her Instagram or WhatsApp story, hide her posts, don't check her social media profile anymore. The goal is there, first, so that you are more focused on struggling to improve yourself, second, so that the girl also sees, it turns out that you have been able to move on from her. When she sees that you have moved on, there will be seeds of her curiosity to you, and these curious lips can grow into a sense of like. The third step, establish communication with his circle of friends. Do this if there are already positive changes, there has been an increase in self-quality. Contact his friends, play with them, or hang out where he often hangs out. For example, he is a campus entrepreneurial club, plays a lot at campus entrepreneurial events, but when you hang out with his friends, you don't need to go to him, just show yourself. Just say hello, but you don't need to chat for a long time. When the girls' friends realize that you have changed to be cooler, they will definitely notice that, and tell your girlfriend, and when you don't pay excessive attention to her, your girlfriend will definitely be more curious. When she has started to open communication first, start greeting first, start texting first and start paying attention first and asking questions to you, that is a sign, a signal, if she has started to open her heart to you. And you can start approaching again. The last step, this is powerful and very gentlemanly, so you can't play games, it can only be done when you are really sure of her. Go to her parents, bro, tell them, if you have serious intentions with their daughter. The impression may be old-fashioned, very strange to do in this day and age, or out of date, but this is what the knights of old did, with great figures in history, with leaders of national leaders. When they are serious about a woman, the minimum effect is that the girl will be surprised and impressed. Because she sees you serious and brave. Not many guys today dare to do this. You will be different from other guys. The best possibility, the girl's parents will be impressed with you, and help convince your girlfriend to accept you as a partner. Make sure you are ready physically and mentally if you want to do this, are sure and really want to be her life partner, not just want to be happy, and are sure you are really better than when you were rejected first. Prepare your mentality and feelings too, to face whatever the answer from the girl's parents, whatever the answer is, rejected or accepted. If you do this, you have done a night act, a brave act. The effect of this night act will shape your mentality to become a real man in the future. The point is, raise your level, don't be obsessed with the girl who rejected you, Keep a good relationship with her friends, adapt your mentality to nothing to lose. If accepted is good, if rejected at least your self-quality has increased and can find a better partner. Greetings high-value man, never give up.